study. This is the Caribbean Sea Basin. You can see that it has geometrical lines perfectly demarking the whole Caribbean Basin right there. Like a big expressway. It continues all the way along the Venezuelan coast, all the way up to this point right here. Like a straight road. I mean, you cannot miss this. It's just amazing. And there is another straight line right here. Then you see, it's like this is a design. And look all the geometrical lines that are perfectly showing exactly how the whole basin and it goes into the Atlantic. Look, there's another several lines. This is, I mean, this is just amazing. How can these people have no idea that this thing is like a Google Earth has it's blurred most of the images. All you can see is the perfect straight lines. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 straight lines like tubes. And they just keep going and going and going into this intersect right here. And this is Trinidad, I believe. No, I'm sorry, Trinidad, Barbados. That's Barbados. And you can see that there are several lines that intersect right at this point. This is like a, by design, all this straight line. I mean, they go for hundreds of miles, thousands of miles practically. And you can see it's just, this is just this is amazing. How can we, the interpretation that I give it, this is some kind of a connecting all the way. I mean, that's like a quarter of the earth right there. Newfoundland. Imagine that shit. This is all the way to the northern part of the globe. then you have over, and that is nothing really. When you got this is only a fraction of all these geometrical patterns. It's all over the place. Then you get one that goes straight right here, then another one that goes straight right there, then you get another one that goes straight right there, and you get another one that goes perpendicular to that one. I mean, this is like, it was designed with, you know, in just about the same way as seen on the moon and other planets. But mainly it's because NASA and these people are in some kind of a conspiracy shit to obliterate the images and manipulate that. All you can see is just a tiny fraction of, and you can see this line, the same thing. I mean, this thing goes for thousands of miles right here, all the way to Central America, and I see the same thing. Then you see geometrical patterns. It's like rectangular patterns all over the damn planet on the ocean floor. Then you see this is what Joseph Skipper, the one that found all those towers that were blurred in the Clementine 1.5 version of the moon mapping by the Clementine orbiter. He noticed the same thing I did, that this pattern of, it looked like tracks from a mining operation, a surface mining that was done in this area long time ago, which when you think about the Sumerian tablets describing how the Anunnakis came to Earth to mine for gold, and they went to the ocean first because that's what their instrumentation indicated, that was the easiest available gold, but it was not sufficient quantity. But you can see that matches perfectly with that story, that there are mining tracks 5 miles wide. I think and then you can see this. It's like a machine or something was left there. You can see this is a weird, strange shape, and it has a reptilian look to it, like the head of a dragon. And the other one has like the shape of another reptile with heads, eyes, I mean, and it's just